Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I just wanted to show you an example of some of the favorable surfaces you can find out in nature to fire roll on. There are chainsaw cut stumps and rounds. There are rock outcroppings. There's fallen trees, and even when the tree doesn't look like it would work, I think I can go ahead and make a top board out of this branch and true this up enough to use it for bottom board. And you know, if you're in a survival situation, make sure you save your ashes from your previous fire. Let's see if we can make it work. You'll want to eyeball this for the existing straightest plane, which is right here. Although you can fire roll with a round top board, you'll have better success with a flat on it. This feels kind of flat right here. Let's try that. And this time, instead of using a half of a cotton ball, I'm just going to use about a third. And then I will go ahead and impregnate the rest of this with wood ashes. And we'll use this as ash tinder. Go ahead and roll this up, and then we'll work the ashes into our ashed tinder above the bottom board. We need those ashes on the bottom board too. It should be a simple ignition. And I want some ashes on this top board. Let's try it. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. No smoke yet, not enough heat yet. I smell it. Now we'll put this very tiny ember into the ash tinder to make a big ember. These are leaves out of the garage. These did not come off of this wet ground. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Got plenty of moisture in these too, don't we? Good thing we have such a big ember in there. We'll catch you on the next one.